Hi there. So now that we know that we have Office 365 and we can use their cloud computing, the next step would be to actually install Office 365 or 2016 onto our computers. And one of the big advantages with doing that is that you'll get access to OneDrive for Business. So like I think basically all Windows computers now running Windows 8 or 10 have OneDrive installed. So on this computer, here's OneDrive. It's just kind of the regular personal OneDrive system. And some of you may use that. Some of you may use something like Dropbox or things like this. But what would be great to use is to have tap into the OneDrive for Business, the VSB version of it. And with that version, we get 1 terabyte of data. So that's quite a good advantage for us teachers. So to get the OneDrive for Business, we need to install the Office. So we'll go to our VSB Office 365 site and log in. So DW Smith, there's my work account. And I'm already signed in, so here we go. So here it's going to ask me to install Office 2016. Just go with its recommendations. So it's going to download a 3.6 megabyte file. And once that's done, I'm going to run it. So I'll click on, this is Firefox I'm using, so the downloads show up here. I can click on this to run it, or I could also open my Windows Explorer, go to my downloads folder, and the same file's there. And so I'll run that. Click yes, getting ready. And this whole process will actually take a reasonable amount of time. I'm going to guess 5 or 10 minutes. Okay, close your apps. So we'll just see how long this takes. Okay, that looks to be installed now. Let's check out, see if OneDrive started here. I don't see it there yet. Oops, I don't know what I clicked on there. If you want to see if OneDrive for Business is working yet, go to your search button. So I'm running Windows 10 here. Windows 8, your search will be up in the upper right hand corner. I'm gonna type in my search. I'm gonna say OneDrive. And now you can see there's OneDrive for Business. So I'm gonna start that. So it's asking me which library I want to sync. And I need to get the URL. So I'm gonna go back to my OneDrive for Office 365. So I'll click on the OneDrive app. And I'm given a URL in the browser, so I'll copy that. And I'll paste it in. Here's my library URL. And I'm going to go sync now. And it's starting to sync. It's going to want my email address again, dwsmith@vsb.pc.ca. Work account. Password. Okay, so I get a warning here. It says it couldn't sync this library. It says I need a newer OneDrive application, get the app. So I'll click on that. Needs to be open with another application. So open the link. Now I must admit, I've installed OneDrive for Business on 3 different computers, 3 different times, and every time I've done it, I get different things happening during the installation. Different pop-up boxes, different things to log in, different things to install. But this is the general process. These are the kind of things that you can expect to come across when you go to install it. Yeah, I'm sticking with my worker school account. Typing in. Here we go. Okay, so okay, I'm pretty sure this is working now because this is the URL. This is telling me that it's the OneDrive from the Board of Education. It's the Vancouver thing. So next, I'm gonna now because this actually isn't my computer. It's my son's computer. I don't really want to sync everything. Maybe I'll just do one for practice. I'll do the Math 8. And just to prove that it's working, I'm going to go to my folder that it's supposed to be syncing at. And here you can see where it's going on your computer. So on the Windows Explorer, Windows Explorer, there's the OneDrive personal account. So that's my son's personal account. And it's installing and syncing OneDrive, the VSB account. So personal and then VSB. And here's the one folder that I chose to sync. So this is now syncing correctly with my desktop. So now it works just like Dropbox or any of these other cloud file storage systems. Once you have your OneDrive installed locally on your computer and you sync the files that you want to sync, you can access them quickly from whatever computer you're at. And if you change your files on your computer at home, it'll sync and change the files on your computer at work. Oh yeah. So now you can see it's populating the folder. Okay, here we go. So it's downloading 15 megs of 240 megs. That won't take very long actually. That'll finish quite quickly. So there you go. That's getting OneDrive installed on your computer at home. And actually, I guess I've been focusing on OneDrive, but all the apps should be on my computer now as well. If I type in Word, there's my Word 2016. What's new? Probably not a lot. So I hope you got something from this video, and good luck with using OneDrive and Office 2016.